My name is Azim Baig and you're watching Kitchen with Azim. Please like and subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell with selected all. Today we will talk about chicken gizzards. So let us get started. After cleaning and washing the gizzard, cut them into half. Cut it into 4 parts of each gizzard, cut them and leave aside. Take a medium onion and chop it. In a wok, add 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. Add chopped onion in the oil. Sauté the onion for a while. Even light golden color become. Add tomato puree in it. I have frozen tomato puree, so I add it. I use less of the condiments. If you use unbalanced spices, so the taste of your main ingredient is going away. More and more spices never make a tasty dish. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder in it. Add 1 teaspoon of white pepper powder in it. Add salt as per taste. We added ½ teaspoon of salt. If you make it our way. So this will be good. Hope you like our efforts. Your comment will help guide us. Must comment for this. I know what you're rethinking, but trust me, when gizzards are cleaned and prepared correctly, they're awesome. Since gizzards are mussels, they are tough and chewy. The taste of chicken gizzard resembles that of dark chicken meat. If you cook gizzards at too high of a heat, they will become rubbery and impossible to eat. But, if you cook them slowly and at a low temperature, they will become rich, tender and undeniably delicious. While some may scoff at the thought of eating chicken gizzards, chefs across the globe use them in tons of unique ways. From fancy pates to delicious soups, this little thing is extremely versatile and underrated. The gizzard is actually one of the most nutritious parts of chicken, despite the prominence of other poultry meat selections. It is high in protein. That 1 cup of gizzard meat can satisfy up to 88% of your daily recommended value of protein. When your body breaks down proteins, they become amino acids, which are important for muscle and tissue development in your body. Gizzard meat is also low in fat, and high in vitamins. Gizzard contains several vitamins, including vitamin B12, which is essential for brain function and forming white blood cells. Niacin, which is good for circulation and producing hormones, and riboflavin, which keeps your skin and hair healthy. Consuming gizzards will lead to increased levels of iron, phosphorus, and zinc consumption. Iron helps your body form red blood cells, phosphorus, which benefits heart and muscle function, and zinc, which improves immune system functions. When you think about eating delicious chicken, you're most likely visualizing juicy chicken breasts, thighs, wings, or legs, but what about the gizzard? You're probably saying, what is a gizzard? And is it even edible? The gizzard is a muscle in the stomach of birds, and it is used in the process of breaking down food particles for digestion, and it is definitely edible and delicious. Chicken gizzard stew. Cook gizzards in chicken stock alongside carrots, potatoes, celery and rice. The dark meat-like flavor of the gizzards will provide a heartiness much like that of a beef stew. Roasted chicken gizzards. Slice the gizzards in half, drizzle them with olive oil, salt and pepper and bake them for 30 minutes. If you like, throw some onions and other veggies on your baking sheet for a quick dinner. Fried chicken gizzards. Cut gizzards into small pieces, coat them with seasoned flour and deep fry them until they are fully cooked. Dip them in hot sauce if you like it spicy. Chicken gizzards in a pressure cooker. Place chicken gizzards into the pressure cooker with a bit of water and seasoning of your choice. Add onions and bay leaves. Cook on high for 20 minutes. Chicken gizzard soup. We love this especially during the fall rainy season. You can always replace chicken gizzards with turkey gizzards. Your chicken gizzards are ready to serve. Sprinkle chaat masala on it. Serve it with salad and naan. Thanks for watching the video. If you like my effort, please like, subscribe and don't forget to press the bell. Have a nice day.